welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be cleaning and decorating this living room by adding minimal Christmas decor touches. And if you like this type of content, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit that bell for new upload notification. Now stay tuned so you can see the final touches in this living room. Hey family, feel free to use this idea to your short-term rental property or to your personal living space. A little touch to spark up things in your area is always better.